Ever wonder what truly drives a customer's decision to buy? Today, we're unlocking one of psychology's most powerful frameworks for marketers, Maslow's Hierarchy of Needs. Abraham Maslow proposed that humans have 5 basic categories of needs, which motivate our behavior. And here's the kicker. We generally fulfill them in a specific order, from fundamental to self-fulfillment. At the very bottom, we have physiological needs. Think survival. Food, water, shelter, sleep. How do marketers tap into this? Think about the essential services, grocery stores, housing, utility companies. Their messaging focuses on providing these basic necessities. Next up, safety needs. Once our basic survival is covered, we seek security and protection. This is where alarm systems, insurance companies, even safe car brands come in. Their marketing highlights peace of mind and protection from harm. Mid-pyramid, we find love and belonging needs. Humans are social creatures. We want connection, friendship, and a sense of community. Social media platforms, dating apps, and brands that foster communities, like sports teams or hobby groups, excel here. Think about how brands create a club feeling. Getting higher, we reach Esteem Needs. This is about self-respect, achievement, status, and recognition. Luxury brands, high-end education, or products that enhance personal image often target this level. Their marketing speaks to aspiration and success. And at the very top, the pinnacle, Self-Actualization. This is about realizing one's full potential, personal growth, and self-fulfillment. Think about services like life coaching, educational courses for personal development, or travel experiences that offer profound self-discovery. Marketing here inspires betterment and reaching dreams. So, how does this help you as a marketer? Understanding where your target audience sits on this hierarchy allows you to tailor your message precisely. Are you providing a basic need or helping someone achieve their highest potential? By identifying which needs your product or service addresses, you can craft incredibly effective campaigns that truly resonate. It's not just about selling. It's about connecting with fundamental human desires. Now go forth and market wisely. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more marketing insights. What need does your favorite brand fulfill? Let us know in the comments below.